Hi guys, so for the purpose of this video, it's just to teach everyone how to take somebody from your smart list and put them into your power dialer. So for the purpose of this one, I'm using me. We're gonna just type my name in so I can find it, but that's not what you're gonna do. Essentially, I'm gonna now click on me. I'm gonna go to add to campaign workflow, okay to proceed, and now I'm gonna type in power because this is the closest thing we're going to get to it. And you're going to pick the one you are. So if you are Joshua, you'll pick Joshua. If it's me, I'll pick me. But let's just put it in Joshua's prospective call dialer. Now I need to put an action here, so this is just going to be something called a training. Okay? And we are now going to add to campaign workflow. Now I could check on the process of it happening. I'm just going to hit OK when it's done. I'm still over here, obviously, but now if I go over to conversations and I go over to manual actions, I will see, well, more people than I would like to in here. These are people who are now on the list to call back at. But as you can see, I'm over here, which is excellent. That's exactly where you want me to be. And that is all as far as that goes.